Ayan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog guys, if you notice, I am super duper stoked for the products that they have sent us today. So dalawa pong sister companies ang nagpadala po ng kanilang mga products for today. So the first one is the Baliuag Special Pasalubong, which is on my left side, and then on my right side, mga sweet section natin, is from Brulee Bakeshop. So again, those are two sister companies or two sister businesses that sent us these products. So actually medyo malapit po sa puso namin si Baliuag Special Pasalubong because these are our go-to, you know, pasalubong whenever there's a long travel. Also during some special occasions that need some finger foods. So sila po ang ating go-to stores para sa mga ganitong products. And then for the Brulee Bakeshop, when lagi din kaming bumibili ng mga cakes nila for, you know, some birthdays, some special occasions na we are celebrating mostly. Actually, these two businesses are mainly located po sa Nepo Quad, Angeles City. And like I said, they have been in the industry for a very long time. Obviously guys, this is a lot for me to try on and allow me to introduce them one by one to you. Let's start with the Brulee Bakeshop. So, meron po tayong mga whole cakes such as this. So, this is their BTS or Better Than SEX for wholesome sake. Anyway, ito naman yung kanilang all choco. Now, they have these mini cakes, no? So, instead of buying yung slices ng favorite cakes natin, favorite flavor cake natin with Brulee, they have come up with really, you know, small cakes. What they are trying to do here is at least kahit maliit yung cake mo, it is complete. No, it's not just a slice of a cake. So let me introduce them to you one by one. This is their, so the first one is the Decadent. And we also have Forbidden Chocolate, BTS, Red Velvet, Too Good, and then the last one is called the Truffle. Now, they also have rolls or the chiffon cakes. Actually, meron po silang dalawang category for the cakes, no? The premium ones and the classic chiffons, no? Available po dito yung kanilang mga rolls. So, this is Black Forest rolls. We also have Yema Tray. Meron din tayong Ube Custard. So, that's the Ube Brazo de Mercedes. Very, very familiar one. We also have sweet bars. So these are Red Velvet and Decadent. Now let's go to the special Baliuag Pasalubong section. So these are corn pops. Meron tayong sweet corn and then meron din tayong cheese. Now these are fish crackers. These are the familiar kutkutings, no? Butong Pakwan, squash. We also have sunflower seeds and the patani. And then very familiar, of course, ito yung kanilang pinaka main products for the Baliuag Special Pasalubong are their peanuts. Of course, you have your adobo peanuts. Meron tayong adobo peanut with balat. These are sugar-coated peanuts. Meron din tayong Cornicks. And then the mix nuts. Woo! So that's a lot guys for an introduction and a promotion. So I told you guys this is a lot for me. This is too much for me, but I'm gonna try them at least sa makakaya ko guys. But then again, we would like to thank Brulee Bakeshop and Baliuag Special Pasalubong. These are available sa stores nila. One of the secret ingredient that really makes them famous or loved is the chili oil. You gotta try it guys. Okay, I wanna start with their sweet side. And kanina pa ako tinatawag nitong Brazo de Mercedes na to. So I'm gonna try this one. Oh, this is so lovely. So refreshing. I think yung mint nila dito is with the lime. And then yung pinaka-feeling natin for the Brazo de Mercedes. Oh man, you gotta love it. So next I wanna try yung Ube Custard. Ube Custard, trying for the first time. Comparing it with the Brazo de Mercedes, it's a little bit gentle. The Brazo de Mercedes is, for me, has a sweetness factor of like 9 out of 10. Now this one is like probably 6 sweetness factor. Next is the Yema Tray. I wanna try this as well. Yema tray. Yung lasa ng Yema tray natin has a little bit similarity to our Brazo de Mercedes, but this one has a parang sponge cake. Yun, I think that's the difference. Now, I wanna try yung kanilang the Black Forest rolls. Okay, cherry first. Wow, sarap. Alright, so while we have that cherry inside our mouth, tikman naman natin yung kanilang, the cake itself. Let's try it. Wow, for the sweetness factor, again, it's real gentle for me. So siguro, it's around 6 or 7 out of 10 sweetness factor. Okay, let's try naman yung kanilang all choco. Alright, so I guess isa sa mga factor kung bakit binabalik-balikan si Brulee Bakeshop is because of of course, the actual taste. The cakes are not too sweet, so hindi nakakasawa. Talagang uubusin mo yung cake kapag binili mo. Alright, so this one is their better than SEX. For wholesome sake, I gotta spell it out. Sabi nila, this is better than what you think. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Like I said earlier, guys, I think they have mastered paano tinitimplahan yung mga cakes nila, and hindi siya nakakasawa, actually. To clean our palate, guys, I gotta taste some savory. So this is their regular Adobong Mani. Fish crackers. I am enjoying the time of my life. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so let's mention some information on where you can actually catch or get these products. So they are located at Nepo Quad, which is their main branch. They are also located at Campbells Lane, Nepo Mart. You can also catch them at Pandan-Magalang Road near Belen Homesite. Also at Valorcom Building beside AUF Professional School. They are at Barangay Malabanas near Fields Avenue. MACB Building, Dau Mabalacat. Cangatba Porac in front of Puregold, and lastly, they are at Model Community Barangay Pio, Tokwing. Grabe, they are all over the place in Pampanga. No doubt, they really love the products of Brulee and Baliuag Special Pasalubong. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, I'm sure you did. I'm sorry if it's a little, lengthy, but guys, allow us to introduce po yung mga produkto ni Brulee and Baliuag Special Pasalubong. Please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and stay safe. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye, guys. Ano pa kaya? Yeah, this one. I like this.